How to change X display name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can update your display name on X, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on profile, and after that, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here in this page, you simply have to tap on the edit profile button, and here once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the name field. And now here you simply have to delete your current name and simply type in your new display name. And here you can add emojis, symbols, or anything you like. And once you're done with it, you simply have to tap save, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you do that, your new display name will instantly show on your profile and tweets. And that's it. That's how you can change your display name on X, formerly known as Twitter, in 2025. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.